Yep. Alright, so welcome to Ivory Report. Now see, if you go back 5 months and check the most 5 months ago and check the first video, you'll see a video of me sitting right here. I already edited somewhere else, but I was right here. And yeah, we're gonna expose this again for the new viewers. There's a lot of new subscribers that weren't there 5 months ago. So yeah, follow me. Cut. This place used to be a lot filled with more trees, but since they're like turning off for a project in the distance there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Come on.
Kupu-kupu. Kupu-kupu pandang.
What the boat get hit, boy? Alright, let's go. I Ranger. Feed the adrenaline junkie in here. Obstacle towards. This place has been abandoned for a minute. Let's go. I'm not even wearing shoes. Alright, let's go. Alright, so where are we going? Yeah, mana? Left or right?
I don't know, man.
Ini mini mani mo. Chapa 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 chu. Chapa chu. Chapa chu. Chapa chu. Okay, let's go here first. Let's go. Come on. Is we recording right now? Stop recording! Okay. What was that? What is that? Travis! Travis, what is that?
Burung ah.
Oh, burung.
Burung tak ada nyerang-nyerang besar malam bapak macam tu. Orang besar je bapak macam. Dia situ boy.
Kita tengok coba.
Kaki kau kena semut cok. Tadi lalat. Kau tengok ah. Dia nyamuk cok. Nyamuk je.
There's a lot like
Aku dah lari. Oh enak. Oh enak lari cok.
oh no, yeah. What is that? Apa?
Jom, 1, 2, 3.
Then I did do a camera down. There's like 2 cameras I recording at the same time. And his camera and my camera. Where am I? I don't think nature likes us being here with like a video camera. Travis, that in his road gang. Travis. Oh no, we're going. I'm lost. Oh, the stuff. Ano benda? Just walking in the middle of the woods right now. Okay. What is that?
I don't know. Dia mesti nak buat baru.
We got to investigate. Oh, sakit. What the? Kan dia aneh. What is this?
Baru dia nak buat pagar.
Where's that go? This is like a genuine path right here. Yeah, look, a genuine path right here. Sini, ada path. There's a path down there. Oh, there's there. Right there. Shoot. Yeah, right there. So there's probably a path here, but I don't think I can enter, especially with this. I just like I can enter. Wait,
Pergi rehat jap.
these are actual trees, Dorvis.
Apa dah keluar dari sini Siapa? Lepas tu kita keluar dari mana?
Situ.
Ha?
Ada lagi tu. Look, they're like planting more and more trees. Did I just see someone? Wait, tu nampak tak tadi? I just saw someone. Ada nampak orang dari situ, dekat depan tadi.
Janganlah pagi-pagi ni kau buat hal.
Hello?
Kau bagi hal cok.
Sebenarnya tempat ni buka. Is this place actually open? I'm not sure though. Hello? Siapa sini? Look, more trees. More and more trees. Kau tahu tak? Ada benda di situ. There's something. Okay, we have to move now.
Jadi ke ataupun sorok
Kita duduk sekarang. Letak nanti nyam datang. Yeah, the fucking... Now! Wondered. We're getting lost. It's so quick. Mana kita ni? Cuba tidak ke arah situ. Boleh jadi di sini ke? Situ ke? Sekejap. Wait a minute. We're lost. I don't think so, we're lost. I know the path back, I just don't know where to go. Wait, there's another path here. I bet there's another path. I'm not sure though, it's closed. Last time I remember there was a tree. So yeah, wait, let's go back. I'm on back, alright? I'm on the back. Let's run it back.
Saya ada anak-anak. Roger.
Aww.
Wah, babi kau.
Babi gelap bodoh.
Tak gelap.
Aku tengah pegang handphone. WhatsApp mak aku tiba-tiba babi terus aku lompat babi terkejut.
Ayo. Kau ni salah kau lah ni, Dayan. Bawa je trauma ni.
Bukan bodoh tak. Hari tu aku duduk. Semalam pula abang aku balik kerja kedua. Aku nampak hang kat sebelah. Lepas tu aku ingat kau kau depan aku kan. Kau sebelah aku tapi kau depan.
Oh no, we are. Shite.
Ni mula-mula tu aku
We're trying to follow like a random path. There's like 2 paths. I didn't sort of shave. I do not remember this being here.
Apa jalan je. Belum kata.
Yeah, my friends are the last gang. There's some bold crab up in here. Oh. Wait, ada keluar ni. Ni ada keluar lah. This is the way out.
Semalam relax.
With this.
kalau malam lagi teruk ni.
Look, everything fucking itches. Everything itches there.
Semua sendiri. Hantu bogil kot.
My toes itch.
Bogil hantu penipu macam kau cerita budak-budak tu.
Atal.
Sama lah kata tu. Ya.
Mesti dia ada keluar je. Itu je. Ada eksplorasi keluar je tu mesti tu.
Babi kalau aku lari je terus tinggal korang macam set aku aje lah.
Kau dengar tak? Ya. Kat situ.
Mas kau dengar?
Dengar.
Situ ke tadi?
Dah dengar.
What was that? Wait, aku ikut. Aku masih ikut. Mesti ada dalam ikut. Mana?
Ada tadi.
Duduk semalam situ malam.
Dia gerak ingat. Mana. Dia hujung. Dia kat sini situ sini yang aku tanda. Dia gerak. Laju.
Rakam sikit lah, rakam sikit. Mana nampak?
Laju.
Dari mana nampak?
Dia laju tadi.
Tu.
Kat situ laju. Tapi
Semua dia cakap.
dia laju tadi. Laju memang terlaju. Tadi dia laju gila.
Apparently, right, every tree was slower, right, especially within the wind, right, there's wind right now, it was moving slow, right, slow, and then that one specific tree that was just showed earlier on camera was moving super fast for no reason. We need to go home. Oh, butterfly.
Aku man. Nanti ada lama-lama je digigit.